Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to show you how to make Jacob's ladder using a cat's cradle string loop. Jacob's ladder is a very popular cat's cradle figure, and I hope you enjoy learning it. Let's get started! First, spread out your cat's cradle string loop. Hook one end of the loop onto your left thumb and pinky finger. And do the same with the other end. Hook it onto your right thumb and pinky finger. Now, using your right middle finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left hand. Then, using your left middle finger, pick up the horizontal string on your right hand. Make sure to pick it up from between the two vertical strings, like this. Here is what it looks like from the bottom. Now, release both thumb strings and pull the string out to both sides. Here comes a tricky part. Using both thumbs, go underneath the bottom string marked with a red star and bring it all the way up. Then from above, pick up the two strings also marked with a red star. Watch carefully. Pick up the bottom string with both thumbs, bring it up, push the top string down, then pick up the two strings below and bring them back up. Now the figure looks like this from the top and bottom. Next, slowly release both pinky strings. Now watch carefully. Using both pinky fingers, push down these two strings, go into the space marked with blue dots, and pick up the two strings inside. It might look complicated, so please watch this part closely. Then, release both thumbs. Now, figure looks like this from the bottom. Now, with your right thumb, push down the front two strings and pick up the third string. Do the same on the left side. With your left thumb, push down the front two strings and pick up the third string. Next, with your left fingers, pick up the string in front of your right middle finger where the red star is and hook it onto your right thumb. Then, take the bottom string with the red star on your right thumb and bring it to the front of the thumb. Do the same on the left hand. With your right fingers, pick up the string in front of your left middle finger where the red star is and hook it onto your left thumb. Then take the bottom string with the red star on your left thumb and bring it to the front of the thumb. Now, figure looks like this from the bottom. You should now see a small triangle near your left thumb and another near your right thumb. Finally, put both middle fingers into these triangles, release both pinky strings, and twist your hands away from your body like this. And ta-da! This is Jacob's ladder. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You will need to practice a few times to memorize the steps. But once you master the basic Jacob's ladder, you can create longer ladders with more diamonds inside. So good luck and thank you for watching.